Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, your smartphone and the AIWA TV. Turn on your phone's mobile hotspot and check signal strength. Weak LTE will cause buffering. Once done, decide whether you'll use USB tethering or a Wi-Fi adapter. USB tethering is simpler and more stable. Make sure the TV's input mode matches the chosen connection. If using USB, plug the phone into the TV and enable USB tethering on your phone now so the TV can detect an internet source. Now configure the connection on the AIWA TV. Navigate to network settings and pick wired or wireless based on your method. Once selected, the TV will look for a connected device. If using USB tethering, the TV should show a wired connection. Confirm it displays an IP address. If using hotspot, choose your phone's SSID and enter the hotspot password. Make changes to DHCP or static IP only if automatic addressing fails. This keeps routing simple and avoids conflicts with other devices. Finish by testing the connection with a streaming app or built-in browser. Choose low resolution initially to confirm stability. If the TV shows no internet, restart the phone and the TV. This often resolves handshake issues. Make sure USB tethering or hotspot remains active on the phone. If speeds are poor, move the phone to improve cellular reception, close background apps, or change the hotspot band. The key troubleshooting tip: if it still fails, try a different phone or a dedicated mobile hotspot device to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.